Starting the underbody wash now. Copy that, looks like it's coming off clean. Okay, line secure, starting fill. Copy that, coolant flow is steady. Good, monitor the levels, will do.
Check the ECU connection. Voltages are stable. Here's the module. Inserting it now.
Hand me the 10mm socket. Got it. How's the timing belt? Looks good, almost done here. Let's see what we've got here. Looks good, no visible air. Almost there, just need to tighten this bolt. Okay, let's check the sensors. The probe is in. Reading the depth now. Confirmed, depth is 4mm, it's a pass. First, locate the shallowest part of the tread. Now, place the gauge and press to get a reading. Move the gauge to check multiple points. All clear, you're good to go. Roger that, have fun out there.